back to Wholesaling Quickies, the series where I try to get my idea out before your short attention span disappears. Well, tell me a little bit about what you got going on. The question that I ask every single seller, and it sets up the rest of the conversation. And the reason why I ask it the way that I do is because, one, it's in my voice, it's in my language, right? My lingo. Okay. You don't have to say, tell me a little bit about what you got going on if that doesn't roll off your tongue. But it does need to be that vague and that open ended. And the reason why is because you want the seller to not be steered and pointed in any direction. You want it to be so open and so broad that they have to decide what they want to talk about. Because normally what's going to happen is they are going to choose to talk about what is most important to them. And that is going to show you the initial layer of motivation that they have to sell a piece of real estate for a discount. So you don't want to steer them and say, well, tell me a little bit about the property, or tell me a little bit about the condition, or how'd you come up with that price? It's not the right time for that. We want it to be broad and very vague so they can sit there and say, what do I have going on? What do I want this person? And the other thing is you stand out from the competition. Most of them don't ask this early on. They want to talk about the property. They want to talk about condition. They want to go into the timeline and the occupancy of the property. We will get to all of that later on. But the two most important things are the two questions that we want to ask early on. How much do you want for the property? And let's find out about that motivation. Tell me a little bit about what you got going on. Try it out. Now, will you come across some objections asking that broad of a question? What do you mean, what do I got going on? I ain't got nothing going on. I wanted to sell a piece of real estate. Sure. But this is where you've got to buckle down and really embrace being the buyer and say, yeah, I mean, sell me on your property. Tell me everything. Why are you looking to sell? What's the condition? What's your timeline? What's the occupancy? How'd you come up with that price? I mean, yeah, I need to know a lot. You just asked me to write a check for a large amount. I want to know everything, Mr. and Mrs. Seller. So tell me what you got going on. That's how you overcome that objection when they're like, what the hell do you mean? So on your next seller call, hey, Mr. Seller, I'll just reach out and see if you still want to sell 123 Main Street. You do? Awesome. How much are you looking to get for it? $100,000? Well, tell me a little bit about what you got going on. Try it out. See how well it works for you. If you're currently using this question inside of your seller calls, tell me, do you enjoy it? Or are you kind of like, Let me know in the comments. Show me some love, like today's video. We'll see you guys tomorrow on the final episode of Wholesaling Quickies.